Iyak ko!
Verse number 2. Verse number 3. Yan pa, kumarin na po tayo po. Tinatawagan ko si Brother Ryan para sa Bible reading.
Wait lang. Hinahanya ko po ulit na tumayo para sa ating scripture reading. Maaari po natin buksan ang ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 17, verse 14 hanggang 21. Basahin po natin. And when they were come to the multitude, they came to him and a certain man, kneeling down to him and saying, verse number 15, Lord, have mercy on my son, for he lunatic and sore vexed, for oft times he falleth into the fire and off into the water. Verse number 16, and I brought him to the disciples, and they could not cure him. Verse number 17, then Jesus answered and said, O faithless and perverse generation, how long shall I be with you? How long shall I suffer you? Bring him hither to me. Verse number 18, and Jesus rebuked the devil and departed out of him, and the child was cured from the very hour. Verse number 19, then came the disciple to Jesus apart and said, Why could not we cast him out? Verse number 20, and Jesus said unto them, Because of your unbelief, for verily I say unto you, if you have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, remove his yonder place, and it shall remove, and nothing shall be impossible unto you. Okay po natin, verse number 21, How faith is guys, going not out by the prayer and fasting. Maraming salamat. Natawagan po si God.
Dumako naman po tayo sa Let's to the Bible. Itaas po natin ang ating mga Biblia. Itaas po natin at sabay-sabay po natin banggitin. Ito ang Biblia ko, salita ito ng Diyos. Pinangahawakan ko ito, pinatatatag ako nito, pinagpapaala ako nito. Ito ang tanging nakapagsasabi kung sino talaga ako sa paningin ni Kristo. Sa biyaya ng Diyos at ang lahat ng magagawa ko sa ating Panginoon Jesus. Mari na po tayong pupo, tinatawagan ko po si Pastor.